Wondering how to combine all your field survey data into one clean map? With MAPOG, field survey data from all areas comes together on one map, making customer patterns easy to understand. First, go to story.mapog.com and open Mobile Data Collection. Click Create New, add a title and description for your project, and select its start and end dates. Then go to Select Point Type and create a new one. Under Add More Location Template, give it a name, choose Point as the geometry type, add attributes like network coverage area and primary network provider, etc., and save it. Then select your new point type from the drop-down and click Save. Proceed to Step 2 and click Add Question. Since this survey is about mobile network experience, include items like customer name, address, network provider, and signal strength, and choose the appropriate answer type: text, number, select, or multi-select. Click Next to move to Step 3. Select Add New Location by uploading CSV/Excel and upload your file. Match the attributes to your columns. Choose the field type to be either coordinates or WKT format, and submit. All customer points will then appear on your map. In Step 4, click Add Users, enter members' email IDs, assign roles, and invite them. Then draw polygons to assign areas. You can use color coding to make the divisions clearer. Or you can also use filters to assign unassigned points. Once you are done, launch the survey. On the MAPOG Contributor app, members can log in to view their assigned surveys, fill out each questionnaire, save drafts, or submit directly. All these responses sync instantly with the MAPOG dashboard. The dashboard overview shows submitted, pending, and draft entries, with filters to track progress by status or member. This helps teams track field survey data in real time, aiding industries like telecom, utilities, retail, and healthcare to improve service and planning. Contact us anytime for help with data uploads, map analysis, map stories, or GIS consultancy at support@mapog.com.